Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to meet you. You might not know Bushasna. It's a great honor to present a lecture at World Federation Law Society Convention in Calcutta, India. My theme of this lecture is the Rose Garden as a musical composition. I had a deep feeling for India because in my first design project as an architecture student was a hotel in Rajgir in India. This one. When I was a student, I designed this hotel. A member of before I introduce myself, thank you. And I'm shortly introduce myself again. I'm a professor at Kobe International University, and I am a CEO of Art Fusion Design Company. My design territory is architecture, like that private house, and the landscape design is Ehime University landscape design, and a museum landscape design. And the Rose Garden design is like this, and award is before introduced to you. This is the Rose Garden book. In my book has received the literary award at World Federation Law Society 2015 in convention company in convention in Copenhagen. I studied architecture when I was a student. That has helped in the design of the Rose Garden. I learned the basics of thinking about designing a rose garden essentials, not just a rose. This is the outline of my presentation. First is the rose garden as architecture. I explain shortly. Second is the rose garden as a musical composition. Third is the current and the previous design project. I was a student agriculture at the Shinshu University and the architecture studied at Kyoto University. My mentor, Professor Masuda Tomoya, he teach me everything to me. Architecture is not, the word architecture does not just mean building. It's a thought of how to, like a philosophical thought. The word of architecture in Greek language, arche techne. Arche is beginnings, origin of things. Techne is a technique or an art. So architecture means the art of skill of pursuing the origin of things. My idea of expressing Rose Garden as a musical composition is based on the architectural idea of pursuing the origin of roses. The biggest problem when I designed a rose garden was how to design a landscape that changed over time. I realized the rose garden changed over time by musical composition. Applying the concept of music composition on music, the musical score is the flow of time. Pitch of note is a three-dimensional spatial effect of roses. Color note, the roses color. This is the musical score is very useful to design the rose garden for me. This is. So musical note is a mi, si, so, fa, so, si, so, si. This is the cello suite of Bach. The height is a rose height. If they change the black point to color, it shows the rose color. The red rose, chapters the diverse beauty of roses in terms of time, space, and color. Temporal design, spatial design, and color design. With musical composing, rose come to be a rose garden. Like this. Expressing the roses musically, combining various roses and other flowers created diverse harmonies and chord. The chord is like this. C major in music, do re mi. The follow is D minor. Here rose like a chord. Red, yellow, white, vivid color. It's maybe a C major. And to change it, come to be D major, the color, red rose come to be a dark red. And yellow come to be a pale yellow. White come to be a pale pink. It's just like just a minor tone. And perhaps F major, large pink rose, added a small pink rose and a perennial pink flowers. If it come to change to minor, white roses and blue added a minor tone, like a delphinium or like that a blue daisy. From now on, the musical rose expression method will be specifically described. This is pink variations, pink and pale pink and white pink with a pink perennial. This is digitalis. It's a pink major on music. This is orange color variation. This is orange color variations. It's orange major on music. Vivid orange and pale orange color with telomeres. This is yellow variations of roses and telomeres. It's a yellow measure on music. So several measures gather and plays a musical harmony, very comfortable harmony. Pink measures, red measures, white measures, and measures again. make a sound so comfortable. This is a different type of measures. Lower roses, knockout, orange knockout, orange Mother's Day and pink Mother's Day. This is pink measure, pink variations, pink knockout, pink Mother's Day and Father's Day, and added with the fairy is not blooming. So, combining the roses and therefore the standard iceberg and the waterway join, playing a harmony like this with like this water. From here, it is a three-dimensional representation of roses. This is the rose on the fence, rose wall. Pink and white, pink and pale pink rose is a Japanese roses, Seizo Suzuki's rose. A colorful garden splendid out beyond the white rose garden. About a rose garden, drama is very important. Always I think how to make a drama to rose gardens. This is White Rose Gate. I designed everything like that artist I designed. Roses that spring from the ground, like that come up. Combination of rose and the purple clematis. Rose have no like that purple or blue color, so always I added with a purple or blue flower with roses. This is a Clematis Jackmani. This is a combination of roses and roses that hanging down from the ground. Ground is upper there. This is a brick walls. Roses come down from up the ground. This is Excelsior and Ballerina, the Scarlet Maitland. Continue hanging rose garden like this, come to like this. It's so very impressionable. Next is the Rose Garden as a musical composition. I show you the Rose Garden project in Korea. This is first time. This is in my head. The color of roses and the water and the forest green. Music is not composing. Confused in my head. First, I sketch what kind of rose garden I should make. How to design the slope of the ground, form of ground. Sorry. Here. Okay. Oh, yes, this one. This is my first sketch of garden. Yeah, okay. beside the height difference of the site, the contour lines are like the 5 lines in the musical score. Musical score is a straight line, but in the garden, lines come to moving. It makes me a drummer. The conte becomes a musical style, and the bass opened with expressed rose. The ground form like a waving. It's so it need to express the drama of garden. Long covered ground is very important for rose garden. If we can see the soil, it's not so interesting. So garden must cover with a lawn. Water brings moisture to the garden. The pond and small water river continue make a landscape. This is the best garden image by Xu Zhu. The water are there in the green ground, and the height was designed by the brick walls. Water come down according to the conte. And I planting roses and flowers on the plant like this. So I composed a rose garden on the musical score. I sketched with a pastel on the musical score like this. And this is composed rose garden that designed the concept on the music score. Horizontal axis is a flow of time, it's a season. Vertical axis is space. High note is a climbing roses. Color score is a flower colors. Color combination is an orchestration. Upper left is summers. Summer is the end of the roses. And come to the water is shining by the summer sunshine, and the forest come to be green. Left under is the autumn. Autumn is autumn rose come to blooming and perennials too. And the winter, bare trees. But end of the winter, narcissus come to blooming in red, in yellow. In the spring, first perennial or tulip